Have you ever wondered how websites are built, or how mobile apps come to life? What about video games? Behind all these digital marvels lies the fascinating world of programming. It's like having a superpower, allowing you to create, innovate, and shape the digital landscape. Think of programming as a special language that computers understand. By learning this language, you can give instructions to computers, telling them exactly what to do. It's like writing a recipe for a delicious dish, but instead of ingredients, you use code to create amazing software, websites, and applications. In this essay, we'll embark on an exciting journey into the world of programming. We'll explore the fundamental concepts, discover popular programming languages, and uncover valuable resources to kickstart your coding adventure. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the limitless possibilities of programming. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Unlock limitless possibilities. In today's digital age, programming skills are in high demand. Learning to code opens up a world of opportunities, no matter your background or career aspirations. Firstly, programming is a highly sought-after skill in the job market. Software developers, web developers, and data scientists are just a few examples of professions that rely heavily on coding expertise. With technology constantly evolving, the demand for skilled programmers continues to soar. Secondly, coding empowers you to bring your creative ideas to life. Whether it's building a website, developing a mobile app, or creating a game, programming gives you the tools to turn your imagination into reality. Moreover, learning to code enhances your problem-solving abilities. Programming requires logical thinking, breaking down complex problems into smaller, manageable steps. These skills are transferable to various aspects of life, making you a more effective problem solver in general. Now that you understand the importance of coding, let's dive into some basic programming concepts. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple and easy to grasp. 1. Variables. Think of variables as containers that hold information. They can store different types of data such as numbers, text, or true-false values. For example, you could have a variable called age to store a person's age. 2. Data types. Just like we have different types of data in the real world, programming languages have data types to represent different kinds of information. Common data types include integers, floats, strings, and booleans. 3. Operators. Operators are symbols that perform operations on data. For instance, the plus sign is used for addition, the minus sign for subtraction, and the asterisk for multiplication. 4. Control flow. Control flow determines the order in which instructions are executed in a program. Common control flow statements include if statements to execute code only if a condition is true, and for loops to repeat a block of code multiple times. 5. Functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. They help organize code and make it more modular. For example, you could have a function called calculateArea that calculates the area of a rectangle. Choosing the right programming language for beginners is crucial. Here are some popular options known for their simplicity and versatility. 1. Python. Python is renowned for its readability and beginner-friendly syntax. It's a versatile language used in web development, data science, machine learning, and more. 2. JavaScript. JavaScript is the language of the web. It's used to create interactive web pages, build web applications, and even develop games. 3. Scratch. Scratch is a visual programming language designed for beginners, especially kids. It uses drag-and-drop blocks to create programs, making it fun and engaging. 4. HTML and CSS. While not programming languages in the traditional sense, HTML and CSS are essential for web development. HTML defines the structure and content of a web page, while CSS styles its appearance. Remember, the best programming language for you depends on your interests and goals. Research different languages, experiment with them, and choose the one that resonates most with you. Section 5. Your journey begins. Resources to kickstart your coding adventure. Now that you're eager to embark on your coding journey, let's explore some fantastic resources to get you started. First, online coding platforms. Websites like Codecademy, Khan Academy, and FreeCodeCamp offer interactive coding tutorials and courses for all levels, from beginners to advanced learners. Next, YouTube channels. Many talented programmers share their knowledge and tutorials on YouTube. Some popular channels include Traversy Media, The Net Ninja, and Programming with Mosh. Then, books. Classic programming books like Python Crash Course by Eric Mattis and Eloquent JavaScript by Maren Haverbeke provide in-depth knowledge and practical examples. And finally, online communities. Joining online communities like Stack Overflow and Reddit's r/Learn Programming allows you to connect with fellow learners, ask questions, and share your progress. Section 6. My coding journey, trials, triumphs, and tips. My journey into the world of programming began with a mix of curiosity and trepidation. Like many beginners, I faced challenges along the way, but the rewards far outweighed the struggles. One of the biggest hurdles I encountered was the feeling of being overwhelmed by the vast amount of information available. It's easy to get lost in the sea of tutorials, languages, and concepts. My advice is to take it one step at a time, focus on one concept at a time, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. A valuable lesson I learned is the importance of practice. Coding is like playing an instrument. The more you practice, the better you become. Start with small projects, gradually increase their complexity, and challenge yourself to learn something new every day. Section 7. Overcoming challenges, you can do it. Learning to code can be challenging at times, but don't let setbacks discourage you. Every programmer, from beginners to experts, encounters roadblocks along the way. One common challenge is dealing with errors. Errors are a natural part of programming, and they provide valuable learning opportunities. When you encounter an error, don't panic. Instead, analyze the error message. Try to understand the cause, and use online resources or communities to find solutions. Another challenge is staying motivated. Learning to code requires dedication, patience, and perseverance. Set realistic goals, break down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps, and celebrate your accomplishments along the way. Section 8. The power of community. Find your tribe. Learning to code doesn't have to be a solitary journey. Joining a community of like-minded individuals can provide invaluable support, motivation, and inspiration. Online forums, social media groups, and local coding meetups offer opportunities to connect with fellow learners, share experiences, ask for help, and collaborate on projects. Surrounding yourself with a supportive community fosters a sense of belonging and encourages continuous learning. You'll realize that you're not alone in your coding journey, and you can learn from the experiences of others. Section 9. Embrace the coding adventure, your future awaits. As we conclude our exploration of the world of programming, remember that the most important step is to simply begin. Embrace the coding adventure with enthusiasm, curiosity, and a willingness to learn. The journey may have its ups and downs, but the rewards are immeasurable. Programming empowers you to create, innovate, and shape the digital world around you. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step today. Dive into the exciting world of programming and unlock your limitless potential.